Guys, this is Chuck with B4. Just wanted to pop in here and do a playback. Went through and did some back testing of yesterday's price action. We did it for the 17th. This is a playback of the price action on the ES. This is what you can expect using the system. Really nice little demonstration here. It gets a little choppy here in a little bit of it, but a nice way to show how the system can recover. Even during choppy situations, we have multiple ways of setting up the strategies. This is just one of them, and this is how you go through and you back test on previous price action before you set up the system and start trading. Now I got automatically reversed, so it automatically reversed my position here. Guys, I would probably, if I was in this, go ahead and move that. The strategy did it itself, but I would have went ahead and made that manual discretionary call there myself had I been in the position. So went ahead and did it here. This is using nothing but basically our strategy here for the entrances and using a little bit of discretionary. Right now, I would have probably quit that trade. I'd have already finished and shut that down for the day. I'm running 8 times the speed, so kind of hard to do that. I'd go ahead and guard this. Make sure I had at least $800, $600, $800. This is all automated here. Basically, I'm using a little discretion with the movement of the stop losses. Usually when I get ahead, as much as I was earlier, I'd already shut it down for the day, using around $1,500, $2,000. I usually shut it down. Good. That's below the zero line. We could reject at the zero line, which it did. See if it's going to break through that or not. It did. Top of the move here. May squeeze a little more out of it because it usually goes to +3 here and -3 is what we look at. So there may be some more coming up into here. If it gets up into here, I'd shut it down or guard it rather. Usually when I'm in a position like this, I'll kind of hover it, lock it. Definitely by the time I got up here, I'd be guarding. There's our bracket. That's one of our little secret weapons. If it breaks it, it's usually a good breakout, but it's usually the resistance. So I'm gonna go ahead and guard that there. We're at the top of the move here. As far as oversold, I don't necessarily like this move, this flip here. This could chop me up. I'm gonna limit my exposure. I'll go ahead and put a resting order there. I'm looking for some short side activity here. Just showing how you can use the system, use the tools, use the chart trader. Now what you're seeing here, the red line that you see right there, that's our B4 CVD. And that's telling us that the bears are in control here. This is a possible support area right here. That lines up with our lower B4, usually goes cycles between 3 and -3. In this particular instance, we're down at the bottom of the bracket as well. So we would get more aggressive with our stop loss. Didn't have enough time. I would have, under normal circumstances, I would have been able to pull that down and guard tighter. That's what I was trying to do. We're at the bottom of our move. It says there's possible support here. We're at the bottom of the lower B4 indicator. We're at our bracket, and there's a volatility adjusted verging point of control, 2 of them right there. So we're looking for a bullish potential move here. Typically, we got our VWAP right here. We can come in here above that trend line, put a resting order. We got an automatic trend line here with our CoPilot. Price is wedging in right here at the VWAP. And again, guys, we're going at a fast rate here. We're at 6x, or 8x actually. So this is pretty fast. I would probably shut it down for the day here if that was where I was at. This is likely to go to this volatility adjusted verging point of control. And we're coming up to our bracket area. I'd probably tighten up right here. You got enough money in this one, you can let it roll, but typically I would tighten up in this area. But it's pushing. Now you are extended. I'm gonna go ahead and turn everything off. Let that run its way out. pausing out here. It's probably going to flip here. We're extended into a squeeze. I'm going to get a little more aggressive with this stop. Kind of trying to capture around 4,500. Love these order flow signals. That's the way to really tell what the market's doing. Boom, there we are, $5,600, and we'll shut it down there. All right, guys, this is just a forward test, or actually a back test, sorry, of our B4 CoPilot Pro using yesterday's price action. Thank you very much. You can visit our b4signals.com and check out. We still got some nice prices going on to the end of the year, guys. Take advantage of it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.